Pretty sure some of you guys can actually relate to what I'm about to share, specifically in regards of audio technology. For example, headphones. Sometimes bila kita guna headphones, telinga berpeluh, lenguh, kurang selesa, and then you just want to get rid of it and you don't want to deal with it. And as for wireless earbuds pula, casing low battery lah, earbuds misplaced lah, nak kena cari sini sana, penat. And the worst case of them all, wired earphones. Aku tengok pun aku dah serabut, tali bersimpul, serabut. Aku tak ada masa nak deal with all this. I really don't. So this is where I want to introduce to you guys the Huawei Eyewear, where audio's technology are reimagined.
Shopee review, we check for you.
Hello everyone, my name is Bryler. So for today, aku nak korang teka what is different about me today. No, it's not the hair. It's the Huawei Eyewear. So as you guys know, in this modern world, banyak company kat luar sana sekarang ni nak introduce a lot of this futuristic and canggih technology to the society, right? Glasses lah, watches lah, earbuds lah, and a lot more interesting things to come. But for today's video, aku nak share dengan korang what makes this Huawei Eyewear a really unique device for a lot of people out there. But before we get started, this product will cost you 1,099 ringgit. So be sure to click on the link down below and add it to your cart. Okay, so from the get-go, design. Korang boleh nampak dekat dia punya temple ni, it's pretty thick, pretty common for a lot of smart glasses sekarang ni, right? Tapi aku faham kenapa, sebab all the sensors, the battery, and all the speakers are all inside there. So faham lah. Speaking of battery, korang mesti tertanya-tanya, Bryler, benda ni wireless charging ke? Lipat and then letakkan wireless charger, will it work? At the moment, no, but I do believe Huawei is capable of doing that. As for now, they include this charger right here where you can just plug macam ni, there, and then connect this part to a Type-C, and then it'll be able to charge macam any other devices out there. Now let's talk about these hinges. Bagi aku personally, kepala aku memang besar. Any spectacles yang aku try kat luar sana before, it gets really uncomfortable sebab korang tahu kan macam ada kesan dekat situ. With this one, I don't have it due to the nature of its elastic hinges. So korang boleh pakai and feel comfortable like you would ever be. As for frame design, Huawei ada include 3 multiple different design. Yang diorang bagi kat kita orang ni is the half frame and also the full frame. So korang mesti juga tertanya-tanya whether the glasses can actually change. Yes, you can change based on korang punya power lah. So kalau korang rabun jauh, rabun dekat, korang boleh tukar. Macam aku ni, aku tak perlu tukar sebab aku babun. Tapi, I want to know, cuba korang komen kat bawah which frame design yang korang actually like. So, from the moment korang dapat this eyewear, macam mana nak connect? It's pretty simple. So, remember the cable yang aku tunjuk kat korang tadi? You just be sure to plug this in with a Type-C charger, and then bila dia dah on, your phone would be able to detect it automatically via Bluetooth. Now, doing big things with small gestures is the name of the game for this eyewear. Kenapa? Sebab it comes with multiple gestures that you can use. Contohnya macam double tap, slide down, long press, touch and hold. Semua ni ada. It's all based on the factory setting. However, kalau korang nak a little bit more customization, a little bit more personalized control over it, kalau korang jenis yang tangan kiri is a lot more dominant than your tangan kanan, then you can actually download Huawei's AI Live app, di mana it will have you full control of all the customization you want. Macam aku download sebab I personally prefer using my own Google Assistant rather than my phone's virtual assistant. So di situ aku boleh ubah untuk enable or disable the virtual assistant itself. If you guys are wondering how answering a phone call would actually look like on this Huawei Eyewear, let me show you. Hello Eva. Hello, can you hear me? Macam spy, Abort mission. So, that is what it looks like. Mesti korang tengok macam, dia ni macam gila, tak cakap sorang-sorang. Tapi it actually is quite good. I think it's pretty convenient. Okay, so we talk about the design, we've talked about other things other than the audio quality, which is the most important part when it's an audio accessory, kan? So, let's not sidetrack. Let me just demonstrate on how this device actually works. Starting off with where the speaker placement is. Dekat atas ni ada 2, kat bawah ni ada 2. So bila korang pakai, naturally the sound would go around your ear. So basically bila korang berjalan, all around town, walking up and about, rasa macam ada background theme music. But there's nothing covering your ear, there's nothing plugging in your ear. So basically what that means is it allows you to still dengar lah bunyi dekat luar sana, like you're jogging ke apa, workout, tiba-tiba ada ambulance, polis, apa semua kan. You can still hear. You can make sure that other people are safe as well. You're not just plugging things in and shutting the world down. I think that's one of the biggest advantage that I personally like as well. Tetapi, I want to do a live demonstration here live at Shopee. So, bersama dengan Moji, kita akan buat live test. Moji is 3 meters away dari aku. Aku nak buat test di mana I'm gonna play a music at a 50% and 100%. And aku akan suruh Moji bagi tahu aku what to do. And I'll do whatever he say depending on if I can actually hear what he say. Moji, are you ready?
Yep.
Okay, let's put on some music at 50%. Yes.
Sentuh telinga.
Sentuh telinga. There. Is this...
Nombor 3.
Nombor 3.
Tunjuk atas.
There.
Okay, good.
Now, okay. So, clearly from what you guys have seen, aku still boleh dengar Moji cakap apa. Also, I notice depending kalau macam aku bercakap kat sini, Moji say something, I can't hear, so I need to toleh sikit, let the angle come in. Okay, so that was 50%. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into 100%. Tengok aku boleh dengar ke tak apa yang Moji cakap.
Umur berapa?
Nombor berapa? Nombor berapa?
Umur.
What? Aku tak dengar.
Bryler. Buat makan burger?
I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
Gaya makan burger.
Oh, gaya makan burger. Okay, so clearly from what I've demonstrated, it didn't work. And that's the best part as well. Sebab when you don't hear them, it's as simple as taking the eyewear off.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Show me some. Show me. Show me some. Show me. Show me some. Show me. Show me some.
So these are the 3 reasons as to why I think the Huawei Eyewear is a very unique product. Now, before I get into is this product really worth it, let me ask korang if this device is for you. So, starting off with, are you deep within the Huawei ecosystem? Because if you are, korang ada Huawei laptop, Huawei smartphone, Huawei watch, smartwatch, and now you add this into your ecosystem, everything will be just seamless. Tak payah nak connect multiple devices, different brands, and you just have to stick to one. Everything from data transferring and everything will be smooth as hell. Secondly, kalau korang jenis yang pakai spec, pakai mask, pakai headphone, baik tutup muka je. So kalau korang pakai spec, you guys put this on, you don't need earphones anymore, you don't need headphones anymore. So senang lah untuk korang. And last but not least, kalau korang memang jenis yang serabut, tengok wire banyak-banyak, you don't like wireless earbuds, you don't like headphones, then this is the better option, isn't it? Now, if you guys are interested, this product will cost 1,099 ringgit, and you can check the link down below and go ahead and add it to your cart. So itu saja daripada aku on today's Shopee review on the Huawei Eyewear. Don't forget to hit that like button, smash that subscribe, comment as well. Last but not least, that notification bell means a lot to us as well. Here at Shopee review. I messed that up, didn't I?